Hi there and welcome to Making Home and Beyond. When it comes to easy breakfast options, smoothies are always on the top of my list. Smoothies are healthy, tasty, and above all, they are very easy to make. We just need to blend all our favorite ingredients together in a jar. Today, I'm gonna make a green smoothie, which is more of a beginner friendly version. If you're new to green smoothies, there is chance that you may not very well like them in the first place. It's simply because we are not used to the raw bitter taste of the greens. So for beginners, it would be nice to restrict the amount of greens to 40% or less. Here for this recipe, I am using a handful of spinach. Add a frozen banana. Frozen bananas forms a nice base for almost all smoothie recipes. It helps keep the smoothie sweet, creamy and cold. And now for a nice nutty flavor, add a tablespoon of peanut butter to the mix. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds, as you know, is a rich source of antioxidants and essential minerals. Now add the juice from a lemon. Apart from the nutritional benefits of lemon, its sour taste helps reduce the bitterness of the greens. Finally, add 2 glasses of water and blend until you see a smoothie consistency. Our beginner-friendly green smoothie is ready. If you're on a diet or even otherwise, please do give it a try and subscribe to my channel for more videos.